A tutorial for how to use ARP Spoofer version 1.0, a hack hunter's choice. Go to the GitHub page of Hack Hunt, link in description. You can also find the source code and setup file. You will see description of the tool, how to use, available arguments. We use Python 3.8, and please read the license before using the tool. Click on Clone, and then click on Copy to Clipboard icon. Open Terminal, and type git clone, and then paste the URL. This will create a clone of the repository on your local machine. Open the directory using cd command. Convert the setup.sh file into executable by typing chmod 755 setup.sh. Run the setup file by typing /setup.sh. If you are a non-root user, type the password. After the installation is complete, run the .py file by typing sudo python 3 arp_spoofer.py-h. You will see the version number and all the arguments which can used. Get the router's IP address from sudo ipconfig, and the name of the interface. Or from sudo arp-a. To run the tool, type sudo python 3 arp_spoofer.py-i, and the name of the interface -r, and router's IP address -t, and the target's IP address. In our case, the target is a Windows's machine at IP 10.0.2.7. The ARP attack is now working. To confirm, you will see the IP of router and the Kali machine at 60 has the same MAC address. That means Kali machine is the man in the middle. To stop the attack, press Ctrl+C. This will fix the ARP table back to normal. In Windows machine, now the MAC address is different. To know more about ARP attack and how it works, check the link in description. If you like this video, please comment, share, and also if you are not a Hack Hunt subscriber, please subscribe. This is Hack Hunt, signing off.